Hello, welcome back everyone. This is another video. Today we'll be covering the Gruel email worm. Now of course we have shut down, we're going to take precautions of course, and we're going to do this. This is what we're going to do. Okay, so now we can kind of disable it. For right now we'll disable it. Yeah, okay. So the internet's disabled, and here's the Gruel. And we're going to just take a look at the size of it, if we can. It's 100 kilobytes, but this thing does pack a punch, trust me. It does really pack a punch. And of course, you're going to see what it does in a minute. Alright, let's get to it. So here's the Gruel. Unknown, and run it. So as you can see, it says Windows has encountered a problem, needs to be closed. We are sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so it just wants you to and it says Windows X because this was supposed to be made for 95, but this is a Windows X, so we're going to use this one. If you click send error, it would ask you to go back. Keep clicking it close, it's going to send you back. So, yeah, the only way you can really get around this is if you hit this. So, let's get right into the virus. And as you can see, and it also injected my thing, it says,
"Your computer is mine." Why? Because I didn't have nothing to do, and I thought, why make the evil? Remember now, your PC is in your PC is in my power. Windows sucks. I can't stand it anymore. Windows says always suck. Wake up, people, it's a scam. You don't need a faster computer. You need a better operating system. Microsoft continually makes money by selling you the latest and greatest Windows. The latest Windows version is always the most efficient, yet slowing down your fast computer. So now you might have to upgrade all your other software too because different Windows versions are not compatible with each other. The hidden costs, not mentioned at all. It's a part of a scam. Capitalism sucks. Communism sucks. Killergate.
probably the author. Okay, and if you retry, it just pops up again. And this will just keep popping up again. It opens quite a lot of stuff, and it ejected my disk, I'm not gonna lie. And mess with the internet properties, the desktop icon, the time and date, looks like the click rate, the mouse properties, and the microphone, which is only the speakers right now. And yeah, there's really nothing you can do. It pretty much disabled the Control-Alt-Delete. So if we take a look at this, well actually I don't think it did. Take a look at the processes. The worm has made itself into the thing. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting. If we run anything, and by the way that's its root application. If we run anything, by the way, let's run some music. Why not? Oh, I guess we can. We might have to restart it actually. So let's actually restart it. Cannot quit. Okay, well we can, so. Alright. So it's shutting down, and yeah. You're going to just see the destruction it makes pretty soon. Thanks to them. Alright, so now we're introduced to this blank screen where there's literally nothing you can do. Except, here's a way around it. Since we have our processes, as you can see the email worm is right here. If we end the process tree, that's how we get back into the Windows. Basically get around it too. But it's no use. I mean, even if you did get past it, as you can see, you still have to run the worm. So it's basically kind of like a Sality in a way. But I would say this is mostly a worm, since it does have capabilities of that. So you can't really run anything. Even your Explorer is no use as soon as you run it. I mean, as soon as you run it, it just reruns the worm. And after that, there's nothing really you can do about that. It'll just keep running the worm every time. Even the task manager. So yeah, it's done some damage, and there's nothing really you can do about it. There's ways of getting rid of it, but it's very technical in a way. So anyways, that's about it for the Gruel email worm. Yes, an unauthorized change was made to Windows. I guess it made it not genuine anymore. So that's another thing it does. Oh, and if we actually take a look at this program, I'm very sorry about this. It will, I think, do the same thing. No, okay. Well, that's fine. And yeah, there's really nothing you can do about this. Of course, I have a snapshot I'll use, and it'll just take me back to the clean state. So yeah, that's about it for Gruel email worm.